So after yesterday's video of showing you guys and bringing you in on the process of how I write music, I thought I would revisit a load of songs that I've written for the album. So remember, these are only demos, so they're just going to be basic vocal, basic piano or guitar track. So in the last couple of years I've gone through a lot of grief, so I wanted to channel that into a song about how it's made me feel. We first went for some like melancholic, almost like funeral march piano. So something that already makes you feel kind of emotive. Next I wanted to start the vocal like quite low in my register. I wanted to go up a register as if I was taking it to another thought process. It's because I am afraid. So I added a couple of harmonies there as well. The song is that you want to take people on a journey. And then the idea of the chorus is that it's like a concluding moment. So I'm going to give you a little rendition of what I wrote.
Oh, a little bit of pain reminds me that you and I were once real. A little bit of pain reminds me, and I'm not sure that I want it to heal. The little bit of pain reminds me you're still here in the smallest ways, because the grief of it being over feels hard to hold some